Laying low, no place to go.
My client here, on behalf of his brother, demands custody of his niece, Miss Precious Salami,
She is not a salami.
in this panel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Talk with Prash. It's your favorite girl and I bring you the latest movie of the day. The name of this movie is Streets of Lagos and this movie is starring Nino Bolanle, Okawa Shaznay, A.B. Okafor alongside other amazing actors and actresses. Now, this movie is essentially about a young lady who goes through heartbreak from a guy. She goes to the club to forget her sorrows. She meets a young man and things happened. And it turns out that the young man she met is the baby father of her sister who dies in the movie and leaves the baby in her custody. Now, this guy steps up and decides to be the father which his brother cannot be. And this movie is a very interesting one because this guy goes against his brother who wanted to use his child for a dubious means. And this is very, I need to give him thumbs up for that in this movie. I think this movie is a must watch. And the number one lesson, as I always tell you guys, I always bring you guys movies with premium lessons. Now, the number one lesson you can learn from this movie is wrong and what is right is right. You should not stand for what is wrong all because it's family. You should be able to boldly call out people's bullshit. You should be able to boldly come out and say this thing is wrong and stand by the truth at all times. And I would give Nino Bolanle a thumbs up for this one. Okay, whoever is the scriptwriter of this movie, I really need to give the person a thumbs up because this movie cumulated from a struggle to love, and yeah, I must give it to them. It's a really beautiful storyline. Now, this movie you can watch it at Ruth Kadiri 247. So head over to the channel and watch the movie. Also, this is the point where I tell you guys to please like, share, and comment on my channel. Okay, please, 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 please watch my videos to the end. It is very essential. Most of the infos that I give are at the ending of the video. Please don't just watch the first part of the video and leave the rest. Okay. um yeah, I want to give a huge shout out to all my 1100 and something subscribers. Thank you so much. You guys are the real MVP. Please keep on watching my channel. Okay, bye.